Most of us have lots of flowers, and different types of plant tubs, in our home. When the flowers, and plants are planted in a flower tub, then regular watering is necessary, especially during the summer days, or else the plants will die. When we go out on a vacation, the plants on a flower tub used to suffer, and sometimes dies due to non-availability of water, in the flower tubs. Here I am sharing one of the easiest, and fastest way, to make your own self-watering system, for your flower tubs, in just a couple of minutes. You can use a small bucket, or a medium-sized bucket, or a clay pot. The size of the bucket, will depend for how much time, you wanted to use it as a self-watering system, for your flower tubs. In this video, at first I am just using a small water mug, and taking 3 pieces of thread, made of hessian, burlap, formed from jute, hemp, or other natural fibers. These are vegetable fiber, and very good at absorbing water. I am just putting this vegetable fiber, inside the 3 flower tubs, just like planting a plant, in a flower tub. The vegetable threads are soaked properly, in the water mug, so that it can carry the water to the flower tub, without any difficulties. Here you can see, I am giving a mark at the water level, on the water mug. After 3 hours you can see the water level, on the water mug how much it has decreased. That means the plants on the flower tub, is absorbing water from the water mug, through the natural vegetable fibers. I prefer a clay pot the best, for making a self-watering system, for my flower tubs, since it is 100% natural, and cannot harm my flowers and plants, on the flower tub in any way. Try it, and see. By using this method, you can maintain your plants, and flower without anybody watering them, during your vacation, especially during the summer days, when you are far from your home on a long vacation. While applying this method, check if the jute fibers carrying the water to the flower tubs, are getting dropped on the way. If the water is getting dropped on the way, then just raise the jute fiber a little bit, and put it directly above the flower tub, to avoid the water getting dropped while getting absorbed, by the flower tubs. For the last 3 days, the 3 flower tubs are absorbing water, from the clay filled with water, and you can see the plants look fresh, with the tomatoes on it.